Ashish, good evening, beta. Good evening, Ashish. Others, please join as fast as possible. Ready, beta? Join as fast as possible. Jotam, Ovian, where are the rest of the students? Please kindly join. Tarun, good evening, beta. Come, 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 come. Vishwa, I was waiting. Ovian, where is Jotam? Huh? He'll come online. Hey, offline is better, yaar. Yeah, power cut. I kept waiting for power. After that, network problem came. Full time I was just like waiting. 1.5 hour I waited, But half an hour classes are recorded, na? That you saw. Tomorrow again I'm going to make class. Okay. 40 minutes. Tomorrow morning class is there, na? So tomorrow morning physics class I am going to take. Okay. So now don't worry about that. Tomorrow morning also physics, because now only physics 2 chapters are there, na? And that environment chapter one day itself we will will finish it. Now we will start revision for examination, pre-board exam. Now listen, everyone, please pay attention and start doing the work. So Jotam, good evening, Jotam. Physics class I was waiting for you, Jotam. That day, festival night, 4 o'clock I slept. 6 o'clock I was unable to wake up because of so much work. Yeah, 2 3 days I was fully working like. Now, my children have joined. Now, listen to me very carefully. These questions are most important questions, and you need to understand, because all these questions, what I'm solving, came in examination. So, we are going to solve this question. Now, listen, 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 listen. Ovian, come here, yeah, come forward. So, now listen. Come on, let's start this question. So this is NCRT question, and I'm going to explain this NCRT question, and we are going to solve the question quickly in your group. Jotam, inform in the group to join as fast as possible. Online TKM groups, please inform to join as fast as possible. Okay. Now, beta, a vessel is in the form of hemisphere. A vessel is in the form of hemisphere. Now, a vessel is in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a hollow cylinder. So that means a vessel is in the form of hemisphere. So this is exactly one hemisphere. This is the hemisphere vessel. Now this hemisphere vessel is surmounted by a cylinder. So this is exactly the cylinder. Roughly I am drawing. So this is the cylinder. So a vessel, a hemispherical ball is surmounted by a cylinder. So this part we did. The diameter of the sphere is 14 centimeter. What is the diameter given? 14 centimeter. So diameter is 14 centimeter. So once you have written diameter 14, can you guess what is the radius? So radius here will be equal to 7 centimeter. 7 divided 14 divided by 2 will become 7 centimeter. Which was done? Now next part, beta. What is the next section? What they are telling here is the diameter given and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height of the vessel given is 13 centimeter. Total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Divya, can you come fast? So total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. After that, what next you have to do is the total height of the vessel coming is 13 centimeter. Now next work, what they are asking from you, come fast, come fast. The total height is exactly coming as 13 centimeter. After that, what next they are asking you is, you need to find the capacity of the container. What you need to find? Capacity of the container. Capacity of the container. Capacity of the container. Come on, start solving, everyone. This time I will be waiting from all of you. I'm giving you 4 optional answers. Thank you so much, Jotam. I saw. Thank you so much. So now look at beta. What can be the expected answer? Now question one part is A option is 1649. Second is 1642.1642.66 cubic centimeter. This is cubic centimeter, or 1720 cubic centimeter, or 1644.44 cubic centimeter. What can be the expected capacity of the container? And your time starts now. Start solving, because you need to find the volume. What and all was there? I have written container upper section is in the shape of a cylinder and down section is in the shape of a hemisphere. So you know the volume of hemisphere and you know the volume of cylinder. So now start solving the question and your time starts now. Come on, do it. Come on, children, do it. For you, I have given you 2 minutes. Come on, go for it, please. Fully broken. Okay, fine. You can join it, better. Now, come on, come on, come on, come on. Can I solve? Okay, children, parallelly I am also solving. You also try to solve and give me the answer. The 4 options are already given to you. Based on that, you start solving the questions. Now, look here. Come on, children, start solving the question. Come on, come on, come on. So how to solve the question? Come on, I'm solving the question, please. Now listen, beta. For this question, what and all work we need to do, please focus into this part. So first, the volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. What is the answer? B. You got B as answer. Okay. Ovian has given answer B. That was indeed a quick answer, because surface area and volume means it will take time for calculation. How to make the calculation very easy? Total volume. Remember one thing. Total volume of the container will be equal to what, beta? Total volume of the container is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. So now beta, one thing is there, total height is given as 13. Okay, now here what is the radius? So we know one thing, this radius will become how much, beta? This will become 7. So if total height is 13, then what this height will become? 8 or 6? 6. So the correct answer will be coming there as 6. Why? Because 6 plus 7 will become equal to 13. So this part will come as, so what is the height of the cylinder? Come beta. What is the height of the cylinder? The height of the cylinder is coming as 6. The height of the cylinder is coming as 6. Absolutely correct. So now we are going to substitute and we are going to solve the question. So here the entire section, the entire volume will be coming as pi r square h plus, what is the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now beta, what and all is common? First you take out that one. What is common? First you take out. What is common here, beta? Pi is common. r square is common. What is left here is pi r square taken means this part h will be coming, and here 2 by 3 r is coming. Now pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7 into 7. Now what is the height? Height of cylinder is 6 plus 2 by 3, radius is 7. Now this 7 7 cancel. It is coming as 154. Now 154, 22 into 7 multiplication is coming as 154. Now this section is coming 3 6 are 18 plus 7 2s are 14. This will multiply with this, and this by LCM part we are going to multiply. So 14 by 3 is coming. Okay. So here 154 into, it is coming as 32 by 3. So now we can do one thing. 154 into 32 we will do. 154 into 32. 248, 2 5 10, 2 ones are 2 3, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 1 16, 3 ones are 3 4. So 8 2 9 4. So that is coming as 4928 divided by 3. So 4928 divided by 3 means 3 ones are 3, 1 9, 3 6 are 18, 1 2, 3 4s are 12, and then 8 is coming, 3 2s are 6, then 2 is coming, then put decimal 66. So here it is coming 1642.66. 16, good evening beta. So the overall answer is coming 1642.66 cubic centimeter. So the correct answer is B, that is Ovian has given this answer. This is the correct answer. I hope everybody understood. Come on, say this one. I hope this is exactly going to be the final answer. So I hope this one everybody understood how to solve the question. Shall we go for the next one, please? Shall we go for the next one? Are you ready for the next one? So this is the question and this is the way to solve. Vishwa understood, beta? Ella, you understood? Yes. So this is the most important question. This question already came in board examination. So this is the part. His name I am difficult to. What is the pronunciation? Ila? Okay. Yes, Ashwita understood. Very good. Ashwita and all, please kindly, last 90 days are there. We are going to play one 90 days game. Everyone, please be attentive and be regular in class because now festivals are over. Hereafter, don't ask me any holiday. 25th, also, I am not going to give you holiday. Only 31st January, I will give you holiday. One day holiday, it is there. Because of cleaning of coaching only, I took 2 days leave. That's it. And one day Deepavali festival. Second day morning, I was unable to wake up. Full work I was doing. Okay. The cleaning work was very heavy. Now write next question. This is the next question, which is exactly NCRT question, and you need to solve it with much clarity. This question is CBSE question, NCRT question. I'm drawing it. See, I'm drawing it. In exam, you only have to draw. What is the best section in surface area and volume is, if you draw perfectly, half mark is given. Without drawing, don't solve the question. This is the most important part. Without drawing, don't solve the question. They will cut your marks. In fact, it is totally up to them that if you will not draw and solve, they may give you 0. There is no proper explanation because there is a word called as proper formatting. If you will not do proper formatting means you don't have the roadmap. Without solving, without seeing, making a figure, how can you solve perfectly? that means you are doing cheating. That is the self understanding part. So what work you need to do? You need to draw it. What you have to do? Drawing is the most important thing. Now, another question I'm giving you, please kindly solve this part. This question came 3 times in CBSE. The question is, one side it is surmounted by a cone, and then this one cylinder is there, and bottom section is hemisphere. So this is exactly the figure drawn. Okay. So now this section till here. Okay, Jivitan. Good evening, Jivitan. So now this is exactly the part we have drawn. Now what they are telling that this is a solid toy. This is a solid toy. Now they are telling that it is all the section are joined together. Diameter is given as 4.2 centimeter. What is the diameter given in the figure is? Diameter given in the figure is 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Now all the preliminary content I am just explaining. Conical portion height is 12 centimeter. So conical portion height given is 12 centimeter. This is H1. Conical portion height is given as 12 centimeter. Done. This is falling perpendicular. Next part, this radius you only are going to find. Okay. Now the third section what it is given is, so conical portion and cylindrical portion. So sorry, conical portion is 7 centimeter and cylindrical portion is this height H2 is given as 12 centimeter. And this part I don't know. Understood? This section I don't know, you need to find because they have given the radius. Understood? So they have given the radius. So this section we have done. Now beta what they are telling that find the volume of the solid. This is the first question. Find volume of toy. Understood? So after finding the volume of the toy, what is the next part of the question they are asking is, if the toy is painted, okay, if the toy is painted, we are going to paint this toy. What is the cost of painting if 1 square centimeter cost, painting cost is 1 square centimeter, painting cost is rupees 2 rupees 50 paise. So 1 square centimeter, no, I don't know Kannada. So here it is coming as 2.50. So 1 square centimeter painting cost is exactly coming as how much beta? 2 rupees 50 paise. Come on, go for it. It is coming as 2 rupees and 50 paise. Come on, go for it. Try this one out. Slant height is only going to create problem. Huh. Volume formula of cone. The volume formula of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Today full formula I have done in 1 hour. I'll send you that PDF. Okay. I'll send you that video today. For Blessing School I took one class. In that full formula I have discussed. So that formula class I am going to send you. Whenever you will have doubt you can go through it. Now beta, what is this section we are going to do is, okay, now we are going to solve this section. Please pay attention and solve this part. So now look here. First we will go with volume. First we will go with volume. In the volume section, okay, in the volume section what we have to do is, in the volume section what we need to do is, volume is equal to, we will merge all the three figures together. Volume of the toy will be equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. So these are the three things is exactly we need to find. volume of cone, volume of cylinder, and volume of hemisphere. Radius remains the same since diameter is 4.2. So what is the radius? Radius is 2.1 centimeter. The radius will become 2.1 centimeter. Radius section is coming as how much, beta? 2.1. Diameter given is 4.2. So radius will become 2.1 centimeter. What is the radius, beta? 2.1 centimeter. Now we are going to solve this. So volume of cone formula is what? Volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h1 plus volume of cylinder is pi r square h2 plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So done. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So now here pi is common. Sophia, good evening, beta. Sophia, good evening. Now look here, beta. First work is pi r square we will take common. Now what left here is 1 by 3 h1 plus pi r square common means h2 plus 2 by 3 r. This is exactly the leftover part. So what is pi? Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 2.1 into 2.1. Now here 1 by 3 height is 7. First part height is 7, then second part height is 12, and third part height is 2.1. Done. So that is radius is 2.1. Now here 7 by 3 is there. Check this one out. 12 is there. Here 2 by 3, 2.1. So now what work we will do? We will write here, it is coming as what, beta? 0.3. 7 3s are 21. So it will come 6.6 into 2.1. Here calculation is the most difficult section. Now here it is coming as 7 by 3 because this is 7, height is 7, of cone height is 7. So 7 by 3 I wrote, volume is 207. Yes, beta, H2 is 12 only, absolutely correct. Now here 12 is there, so I will write 36 by 3 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 42 by 3. Why I did like this? So that 3 will become common and come out. So 6.6 into 2.1. Now we will be adding the entire section. It is coming as 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7 will become how much, better? 6, 6, 12, 130. 43. 43 decimal by 4.2. So it is coming as 2, 4, 3, 7. 47.2. 47.2 by 3. So this will cancel this one as 2.2. So it is coming as 2.2 into 2.1 into 47.3. So this much is their calculation. Come on, check this one out. Everyone, those who are calculating, come on, calculate. Thank you for liking the class and please start calculating. Calculation. After calculation, Maha, did you calculated it? So approximated, what is the answer coming? Let's see this one out. So what is the approximated value? I'm going to calculate. So 21, 22, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2, 4. So it is coming as 282. Now 282, 4, 7, 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 7 2 14, 7 8 56, 57, 19, and then here it is coming as 4 2 8, 4 8 32, 4 2 8, 9 10 11. Exactly anything I have missed out? Check this one out. So 2.7, 2.1. The correct answer is coming as 6, 8, 7, 7, 14, 7, 21, 22, 23, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3. What is the answer coming here? Come on, check. Because volume is coming 0.7. Yes. Yes, 2.7. Check. Is this correct? Calculation section only we need to check. 282. Because if missing something means answer will not come. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Oh, I wrote wrong here. This is the penalty I gave. So here it is coming as 42. 2 and 4 here. 2 and 4, 42. I wrote 4, 6, 4. I got the penalty. 4, 6, 2. Now here it is coming as 4, 7, 3.
3 to the 6, 3, 6, 18, 3, 8, 12, 12, 1, 13, 4, 7, 2, 14, 7, 6, 42, 43, 4, 7, 4, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 3, 2. Now come on, check this one, 4, 2, 8, 4, 6, 24, 2, 4, 4, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is there. Now look here, beta, 6, 12, so answer is coming as how many decimals are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal. 218. Yes, the correct answer is 218. The answer is 218.526 cubic centimeter. This is the correct answer. 218 point live struck. No, it didn't struck. Check one more time. So 218.526 cubic centimeter. One number I have interchanged because of that answer was not coming. But yes, Maha, it is very near to the value. Yes. So it is very near to the value. The value is 218.526 cubic centimeter. This is the answer. 218.526 cubic centimeter. Surface area and volume, I request all of you practice as much as possible. Okay. So when volume section will be given, you will be able to solve like this. Now beta, now we don't have to use volume. Now we have to use surface area. And cone is the killer. You know why cone is the killer? Because in cone, surface area means slant height you have to find. What you have to find? Slant height. And trust me, if they will give you slant height, they will tell you root value of slant height. Okay, root value of slant height they will inform you, otherwise it will be problem. Got it? So now I am just giving you because randomly I have taken the question. So now please pay attention here, how we are going to find the surface area. Okay, so now let's talk about the surface area. Here it is not total surface area, it is curved surface area, because the cone on up, everyone here done? Yeah, decimal point it will come. Check in what you call root value for decimal. What root value of decimal is coming? That part we are going to find and we are going to substitute there. Maha, that is the most important part there. Okay. So now listen, children. Are you ready for it? Yeah. So now this section done, everyone. Ovian, this part over. Jotam, this part over. Come on, say me hi, everyone. All are present here in the group. I want to see the attendance, please. So now look here. So this part is done. This part you are understanding how to deal with this section questions. Okay. Yes. Jotam done, beta. What happened? 0.5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. We'll see. 2.8 point. Some calculation 0.059 cubic centimeter. Calculation wise, the rest of the all the things are there. Calculation wise, where here and there will be there, you can cope up with that. Okay. Now we will be going for the next section. Are you ready for that, beta? Our next section is 1 square centimeter. Cost is 250 rupees. 2 rupees and 50 paise. So it's a very expensive toy. 1 square centimeter painting cost is 2 rupees and 50 paise. So how we are going to go for it? So beta, for this now, this is the surface area of hemisphere. What is the surface area of hemisphere? Curved surface area. Because this region is fitted now, this part is fitted with cylinder. So we don't have to paint this region. We don't have to paint this region. Whatever we have to paint is the outer region. Now, whatever we have to paint is the outer region. And outer region means CSA of hemisphere, CSA of cylinder, and CSA of cone. So only challenge is cone. Only challenge is cone because we have to find the slant height. Vishwa, remember this one. Only challenge is what, beta? Cone. Because in cone section, we have to find the slant height. Cone section, what we have to find? Slant height. So now we are going to find the slant height. So what is the formula for slant height? Slant height is there. Radius is 2.1. So slant height L will be equal to root under h square plus r square. So what is h, beta? H is coming as 7 square plus r is 2.1 whole square. Done? 7 square plus 2.1 whole square. So we will do this one. So it is coming as 7 sevens are 49 plus 21. So 21 can be written as 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. By down decimal removal means 100 will come, because 2.1 is 21 by 10. 2.1 is 21 by 10. So clever attempt. Vishwa, I missed you so much here. Why you are not coming? Exams are going on, Vishwa. So now look here. So please pay attention for this section. Now look here. Exams are there, Vishwa. So now look here. Okay. You didn't told me chapter, any information you have not given me, beta. So here this is coming as 49. 49 is 7 square, plus here it is 7 square, 3 square and 10 square. See how clever you are in calculation. That is needed here. Understood? How clever you are in calculation, that you need to put here. So now look here. So first work is beta, here nothing written means 1. Now beta, here 7 square, 7 square, what will come out is 7. What left here is 1 plus 9 by 10 square. So what work we will do is 10 square means it will go here 10 square LCM beta. So it will come as 7. This is 10 square plus 9 by 10 square means 10 square will come out as 10. So here it is coming as 0.7. Now it is coming as 100 plus 9. So 0.7 into 109. Trust me, they will give you the square root value of 109. Square root value of 109. I'm just going to find it because we don't have time. So square root value of 109 we are going to form, and then we are going to multiply it. So this is exactly the value. So square root value of 109. So 109 it will be approximated. In question they will give in question they will give approximated value. The approximated value coming is 0.7 into 109 square root value is 10.44. 10.44. So root under 109 approximated value is 10.44. This is done. So now 10.44, 0.7 you do. 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30 and 7 1s are 7. So 73.08. 73.08 is the slant height, centimeter. Bingo. Once the slant height is in your command miss, trigonometry, AP, circle, surface area and volume. Okay. Trigonometry we have finished. Arithmetic progression, circle and surface area. We'll finish with that. So 73.8 is coming. Now I hope we are ready for solving the question, because this was the biggest hurdle. This was the biggest hurdle. This was the slant height. Once slant height is in our command means we will be able to justify and do the section. Okay now? Now look here beta. Now what is the surface area of cone? Pi r L. What is the surface area of cone? Pi r L. What is the surface area of cone? Pi r L. So we will write now. We will write surface area because they told painting now. So we will write total surface area of toy. Total surface area of toy is equal to surface area of cone plus surface area of cylinder plus surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere. So these are exactly the surface area. So surface area of cone is pi RL. Surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH2 plus surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi R square beta. Okay. So now what we are going to do is pi RL. Absolutely. 25th. So circle part only missing now. Wait, I am sending you. So pi r take common. Pi r we are taking common. L plus 2h2 plus pi r taken common 2r. See what and all I have taken common. Separately if I will do means it will take more time. So what I have done here is I have exactly allowed it to solve. Hello Tanish, you are coming? Yes, both are available, beta. Vectors I am teaching. Rain. Huh? Yeah, yeah, YouTube. Now look here. So here this part is pi. Pi will be exactly coming as 22 by 7. Radius given is 2.1. Slant height what we got is 73.08. Now 2 into height given is 12 plus 2 into 2.1. So this calculation we have to do. This calculation we have to do. So this section is coming as 22. This is 7 threes are 21. So it is 22 into 0.3. And this part will come with a how much? 73.08 plus 12 twos are 24 plus 4.2. So all calculation came. So it is coming as 6.6. Now here add it. 7308 and then 24 and then last part is 4.2. So what is coming beta? 8 2 and this 3 4 12 12 4 16 and this is coming as 10. So 108.26 106 point sorry 106.28. Now multiply it with 66 106.28. So 106.28 66 where how much it is coming? This, its calculation is correct, na? Check L came 73 point this, 2 into H2. Height was 12 only, na? 101.28. Wait, let's check 24 is correct. This is 2 1 0 42, 4.2. Wait, I'll calculate it one more time. 73.08. After that 24 is there, na? And then 4.2. So 28 is pakka. 347. Okay, yes, 101.28. So it is coming as 101.28, 101.28. 66 will be exactly going to divide 66. So what we are going to do is 66, 6, 8, 48, 4. What is the value coming? 613. Check one calculation part because 60768 is there, na? Correct, na? 60768 and 60768. 60768. 8, 6, 15, 7, 3, 1, 6. Huh? Huh? Because second time, oh, seriously, I'm sometimes doing 60768 is there, na? So here 86706. This is happening when you are taking continuously classes. 6 to 12, 13, 14, 6, 6, 12, 7, 14 is there. Check this one out, beta. 668446. Check the 668448. Yes. 668448 and 123. 3 decimal is there. So this is this much square. Aha. So this much is 668. Yeah, 668448 coming. Now, with the next part is again we have to solve, and that section is we have to multiply it with 2 rupees and 50 paise. So 1 square centimeter painting cost is rupees 2 rupees 50 paise. Then how much is the total area? 668.448 square centimeter. Painting cost, what will be the painting cost, Vishwa? It will be multiplied 668.448 into 2.50. Answer will come in rupees. This much rupees. Come on, multiply. I don't have now that much capacity to multiply it. You do it. Multiply now. Yeah, ma. What is the value coming? Multiply and tell me. Come on, do it.
1671. Wow, nice. Opera, this much rupees cost. So 1671 point, see, 1671.12 rupees. Means 12 paise. Means approximated answer is 1671 rupees. Painting cost. Wow. The painting cost is coming as how much? 1671 rupees. 1 to 12 paise they can ignore. But what is the painting cost coming? 1671 rupees is the painting cost. This is the painting cost coming. Yes, absolutely correct. This is the painting cost coming. Now we will be solving another question. Ready, beta? Ready for the next question? Yeah, approximated. Super. So now we are going to solve the next part of the question. In the next part of the question, what is given to you is, let's solve the next part of the question. The next part of the question is, a solid toy is in the form of hemisphere, okay, surmounted by a right circular cone. So one hemisphere is there. Is it done? Finished? Everyone? Everyone done that part? That section also done? This section done? All people? Online children finished? So now beta, one question is there. This is one hemisphere, and this hemisphere is surmounted with a cone. Now what they're telling that this is exactly covered with a cylinder. The cylinder will be touching the entire section of it. So very carefully solve this part. This section is exactly touched by a cylinder. So cylinder base will be same. So this is exactly covered very nicely with a cylinder. Okay. So cylinder is touching the entire section. So we can say that the bottom portion of this is exactly touched. This is the center part and this is the center section. So we can draw like this. Done. Okay, done that. Till there that section is okay for you. Now what they are telling that height of the cone is given as what? See, please pay attention. A solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. We did it. Height of the cone is 2 centimeter. So this height of the cone is given as 2 centimeter. Note down. And the diameter of the base is, this diameter given is 4 centimeter. So what will be the radius? 2 centimeter. So this height will come how much, beta? This height will come as 2 centimeter because radius given is 2 centimeter. Got it? So what is the height of the cylinder? 6 centimeter. Oh, 2, it is 2 only, na? So 2 plus 2 will become 4. So height of the cylinder is 4 centimeter. So now they are telling that if a right circular cylinder, find how much more space it will cover. So you need to find the space here. You need to find the space. This is a very critical question. Yeah, that's the space. The space left. Understood? How much is the space left? So that means what, beta? This toy is inside this cylinder. So how much is the vacant space left? Means they're talking about this space. Are you understanding? So we have to find the space of that region. So how to get the space of that region? Come on, check this one out. Hello? क्या? यहाँ पे. So I hope, yes, total height is coming as 4. So our work is we have to find the leftover area, leftover volume of the entire region. So required space, how much is the space there that we need to find. So required space
is nothing but leftover volume. So leftover volume, leftover volume. So that means the volume which is left over. I just wrote leftover volume means the volume which is left over. Okay. So how we are going to find required space? So how that is volume of cylinder. Look here, beta. So the look here, beta. This is the cylinder. So volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. This is exactly volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. How we are going to write this one, beta? So volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. So what is the height of cylinder? The height of cylinder is 4 centimeter. Height of cylinder is 4 centimeter. Done. So height of cylinder minus volume of cone. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And height of what you call height of this one h1, we are going to take this as h1. So this is coming as 2 centimeter. And height volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So now here pi r square. So radius is 2. So pi, that is 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 2. So 2 into 2 into height is 4 minus 1 by 3. We will do one thing. We will try to take some common. So pi r square h minus pi r square, we will take common from here also. Then here pi r square taking common means it will come pi r square here and here. So pi r square by 3 we will take common. That is better. Hello A, B, C, D, E. H1 plus 2R we have taken common. H1 plus 2R we have taken common. Now look here, beta. What in common is there? We will try to take it out from the entire section. So here pi r square, finally we can take it out. And this is H is the total height of the cylinder, and that is 4. So pi r square taken common 4 minus 1 by 3. Height of cone is 2 plus radius is coming as 2 into 2. And then it is coming as pi into r square is 2 into 2. This part is 4 minus 1 by 3. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 is coming, cancel. So it is coming as pi into 4 into, beta 4 minus 2 is coming as 2. So answer is 8 pi. 8.8 pi. The answer is coming as 8 pi cubic centimeter. Hi Himanshu. So this is coming as 8 pi cubic centimeter. 8 pi cubic centimeter. 8 pi cubic centimeter. 8 pi cubic centimeter it is coming. 8 pi cubic centimeter. Himanshu. Okay. So this is exactly coming as how much, beta? 8 pi cubic centimeter. I hope everybody understood. 8 pi cubic centimeter till here everyone understood. So this is the most important questions we have discussed. So now one small revision part I am going to give you. Children, come on, get ready, because surface area and volume is a very typical questions. Correct now? So means like this questions only 8 pi. Yes, beta, 8 pi cubic centimeter. That's the question. Now I'm going to give some clues questions, because surface area and volume sections 2-3 mini questions of surface area and volume we will do. Mehul, hello Mehul. So now look here. So exactly these are some of the sections we are going to do. Yeah, ma'am, can you teach again? Yes, I'm going to teach it, beta. So actually what was the question given here? One toy in this shape is exactly inside a cylinder,
And cylinder means the areas are exactly, you see, it is all touching, the bottom and the top sections are touched by this. So they are asking that how much is the space left. So here if somebody will be asking you about space left, good evening beta, after this class only, just 2 minutes after that I am going to start class 12th. So now look here, beta. So here the space left. So what we are going to do, we will be talking about the volume of this region. So volume of this region, yes, Kishore, okay. So now, beta, volume of this region minus volume of the toy. Volume of that region minus volume of the hello Kalu. So this part it is written. I hope you might have understood here. Kritika, did you understood that section, beta? 12th now only I'm going to start. Just this is the last question, one extra question I'm giving them. In 2 minutes I'm going to start 12th class, beta. Yes, just now I'm going to start 12th. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes I'm going to start 12th class. Now pay attention. Are you ready, children? So the question here is, come on, go for it. Are you already grade 10? Are you ready for this question? Your question is, come on, let's see. 2 sine squared 30 degree. Come on, trigonometry part. Fine. Okay, Vishwa. Yeah, fine, beta. 25.14. 2 sine squared 30 degree into tan 60 degree. Let's see my Veeras how they are going to solve this question. 3 cos square 60 degree. Okay. Into secant squared 30 degree, and your time starts now. Your options are, come on, do it. Solve it. Yes, this is the last question. Enjoy for today. Come on, try, beta. Try, you can do it. Try this question. Sine square 30 degree. Can I solve or you people are going to try? Option at least say. Tarun is telling C answer. Wow, Tarun, that was very fast. Tarun has given answer C. What about you people? Better first substitute value. Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. Done. Minus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 whole square into secant 30 degree. If somebody will ask you secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3 whole square. Hello, cow sugar. So now look here. It will come 2 into 1 by 4 into root 3 minus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 4 by 3. So this and beta, sorry, into 4 by 3. This all are getting cancelled. So now here this and this will get cancelled. 2 is coming. So it is exactly coming root 3 by 2 minus 1. If you will take LCM, root 3 minus 2 by 2. So the correct answer is coming here is root 3 minus 2 by 2. Yes, Vishwa, but the answer is root 3 minus beta. Sugar, cow sugar, okay. I hope you might have understood this one. Yes, so we're going to keep it till here. Bye everyone. Tomorrow morning physics class. Don't miss the session, please. Okay.